Welcome to Grand Teton National Park, one of the most awe-inspiring places in the world. Today, we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey as we cross the pristine waters of Jenny Lake, heading towards one of the park's most beautiful destinations. The smaller the people on the distant shore seemed to become, and the more the landscape took over, vast, majestic, and unspoiled. I could feel the cool breeze brushing against my face, carrying with it the whispers of the park's untouched wilderness, the deeper we ventured into the lake. The air was crisp, carrying the scent of pine trees mixed with the earthy smell of the water. In the distance, the call of a bald eagle echoed, adding a sense of wildness to the already pristine scene. The air was crisp, carrying the scent of pine trees mixed with the earthy smell of the water. In the distance, the call of a bald eagle echoed, adding a sense of wildness to the already pristine scene. I could feel the cool breeze brushing against mine. Loomed high above, reflecting perfectly in the lake. Every dip of the boat created ripples that seemed to dance, as if nature itself was alive and breathing around us. As we set off from the shore of Jenny Lake in Grand Teton National Park, the boat rocked gently beneath us, its engine humming softly against the tranquil morning air. As the boat glided forward, the grandeur of the Teton Range felt overwhelming. The peaks seemed so close, as if we could reach out and touch them. The stark contrast of the jagged mountains against the stillness of the lake created a sense of both awe and peace. It felt as though time had slowed, as though the weight of the world had lifted, leaving only the quiet power of nature surrounding us. The soft splashes of water against the hull, the occasional rustling of leaves from the trees along the shore. And the steady hum of the boat's motor were the only sounds breaking the serene silence. Looking down into the clear, pristine waters of Jenny Lake, I could see straight to the bottom, where rocks rested undisturbed, their muted colors softened by the water's depth. Fish darted by beneath the surface, their movements swift and graceful, barely disturbing the lake's calmness. As the boat approached the far side of the lake, the dense forest lining the shore came into clearer view. Tall pines stood like sentinels, guarding the wilderness beyond, and trails beckoned hikers to explore further into the park's hidden wonders. The journey across the lake was not just about the destination, but about the quiet moments of reflection and connection with nature. It was about the feeling of being utterly dwarfed by the immense landscape, yet at the same time, being a part of it. As we neared the dock, the spell of the crossing lingered. And I couldn't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to experience such untouched beauty. In that brief passage across Jenny Lake, the world felt vast, timeless, and full of possibility. The sun had just risen over the towering peaks of the Teton Range, casting golden light across the water's surface, making it shimmer like glass. The rugged beauty of the mountains, their jagged edges dusted with snow, find peace in the wilderness, and be reminded of the importance of preserving these wild spaces for generations to come. As we board the boat for the return journey, we carry with us the memories of this incredible day. Grand Teton National Park offers so much more than just beautiful scenery. It's a place where we can reconnect with the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this adventure across Jenny Lake and into the heart of the Tetons. We hope this journey has inspired you to visit this incredible place and experience the magic of Grand Teton National Park for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures from some of the world's most beautiful destinations.